First, second question. What you took?
Fruit
Good.
and
You-
potatoes.
Okay, you must be very strong. Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, it was analysis, So, your stronger hand here, grab here, grab here, and the other.
I am not doing
Lisa,
that.
Lisa, what about your breakfast? It was good. Was very healthy. Poquito.
Great Papa, see,
No, it's good. So, the other hand here, and Lisa.
No, I
Okay.
think that's what this is for.
No. Okay.
Second option.
Here.
Second
No,
op-
Lisa. Connection here.
Okay. Second option.
No, Lisa. Get closer. Tippy toes. Okay, Lisa. Can you both hang
You do-
here?
Lisa, he's a bad boy, right?
Yeah.
Not
My
me.
hand, right?
Both hands. Lean back. And the most important, when I say three, bend your knees up all the time. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, and 3.
Bend your knee. Bend it.
Okay, bend your knees. And this time, let go of your hands. Let go. Very good. Let go of your hands.
Let
go
go
your
your
hands
hands again. Woohoo! Okay, this time upside down. Woohoo! Spinning.
Bend your knees.
I'm gonna throw up on you.
Okay.
And that.
Stand up. And here.
And the other hand.
Como estuvo? Bien.
Sí, estoy azul.